is in Parse. Parse is the technology that makes developing web and mobile applications let you store, synchronize, and push data in cloud without writing single line of server-side code. Parse is actually cloud-based data management system which allow developing your mobile and web application in cloud. Parse is nothing but a table which is using to store data in database. Parse is no schema database. While you can specify column in data browser, you can create an object in JSON, single JSON form. The reason it is called classes because you are generally creating object of some certain classes and save that object in database. Parse it has five type of tables, five type of classes. First one user class, which is using to store user information, and Parse provide sugar method such as login, sign up, and much more. Next one, installation process. This class is using for typically sending push notification for mobile devices, and role classes you can assign a specific role for each user for preventing access control for tables. Then product classes, which is using to store in-app product details. Then custom classes, you can create your own classes for your application purpose. Then cloud code. Cloud code which is using to handling backend server-side codes and implementing some features in Parse. It is mainly using to mobile app development. You are creating mobile application that is running on cloud code. If you want to change some functionality of your mobile application, you need to change code in native code in your mobile application, and you need to generate APIs. It will take time, and user have to wait for next updates. But if your code is running on cloud, just change particular cloud code functionality and deploy it. The new updation will be available on all mobile devices. The next is simple login API function. After executing this login function, you will get a section token. This section token which is using to authenticate user. This section token is using to, if you want to edit any details in user classes, you need to specify section token. This is for only current log users. In case of admin users, admin can edit other user details. Then this situation, you need to expose your master key. You cannot use section token for that purpose. That time you need to use cloud. This is simple cloud function. Cloud function starts with parse.cloud define. Then hello is cloud function name, and request and the request response is a parameter. Request is using if you want to get some parameter value from API, and the response top success is a response callback which is using to send some response from cloud function to API. Every cloud function must have response dot success callback. Otherwise, we will get response success or error callback error. Another drawback in cloud function. Each time you need to deploy your cloud function and Parse terminate each cloud function after certain time. Then push notification. Push notification let your application notify users of some messages or even when user is not currently actively using application. Parse support push notification for Windows, Android, and iOS mobile devices. I will show you how to create Parse push notification in Android device. First, we need to register Google GCM. GCM is working at active server. It will receive from Parse cloud code and send push notification to mobile devices. Go to this link, you will get Google Developer can use your Gmail account and create a new project by clicking select project or create a project and please enter your project name. You can give any name and click create button. It will generate project ID and automatically redirect to dashboard. Here you can see your project details of about project, and you will get a project ID. This project ID is for center ID in Parse. Next step, you need to enable Google GZM API. Go to API Manager, select all of these, and select Google Cloud Message for Android. And enable API. Next step, you need to generate API key. Click on credentials and add credentials. Select API key and then server key. And enter any name here and click create. It will generate a API key for you. Copy that API key. Next step, you need to add credentials in your Parse database. Go to your Parse.com and select your application. Then go to core and then click settings. Under settings, select push. And enter your enable client push notification. Then enter the server ID. Server ID is nothing but a project ID, project number. Then enter the server IP. Next step, you need to add some push notification code in your Android or Android device. You don't need to create or type any code. Parse automatically generate code for you. Go to click Parse app and select Android push notification here. Then select your application. Parse automatically generate code for you. You just copy and paste this code in the appropriate system. Next step, take a build and open your app and run it on background. And just go back to the Parse database and refresh. Under possession, just refresh. You can see that a new table, installation table is automatically created, and it has some values. Then if you want to send push for testing purpose, then click push tab and send push option. You can send some sample message for testing purpose. And enter some messages. send now button. You will get push notification on your Android. Next one is background job. Background jobs are non-interactive process that run behind the interactive process. This process is no need to any user input. It can schedule as per the user's choose. This is similar like another cloud food. Same as cloud food function. Only one difference is password cloud job instead of password cloud defect. Other things are same. I will show you how to create background jobs in Parse. First thing you need to open your main.js, open your cloud file and create any sample job which is seen earlier like functions. Then deploy it. After that, put your Parse database, then refresh and select. After that, then select job. Then select schedule a job and give any description and job name and select your job name from drop down list. If you deploy successfully, then Parse automatically display the job name. Then schedule a job. You can see how when this process run, you can choose starting date and time, and if you want to repeat this function, you can set it. And schedule a job. If you want to test the job is work or no, then you can directly click run now button. Webhook is a service. The webhook is a service that is in process some event when it's happening. It is a single HTTP code which process your HTTP post request when some event is happening before or after in database. For example, every weekend we are submitting timesheet. After that, you will get a response message, response email. This is one of example of webhook have some limitations. One is it requires HTTPS function and valid SSL certificate. It only process post method and Parse webhook functions terminate after 30 seconds. The main usage is if you want to call any other function or APIs that hosted in somewhere else other than JavaScript, you can use webhooks. That's all about Parse. Thanks for watching.